Hello everyone, I'm Varsha and today I'm going to show you the application that I made, which is Volunteer Matcher. It connects volunteers with the opportunities and helps all the organizations find the right volunteer for their requirement. So here is the application that I made, and as you can see this is a landing page. Uh, Here we can find the find opportunities for organizations and also the head tag for finding the impact calculator. In the landing page, you can see like there how many active volunteers, organizations, the number of opportunities, the hours contributed, and here we can like also include the featured opportunities where there are like the important opportunities that are reflected. And once if you want to start making an impact, you can see the reflection of like the bento box where you can see your full name, email, and like you can select the interest, select your fields of interest, which can be environment, education, or community service, or health and wellness. And then here I just put up a contact us tag, which is like using not like the potential details, and here for staying connected, like for us to be along with you, you can just put the email and help for finding more new opportunities. So here you can see the head tags for find opportunities. This is for individuals to find out different opportunities, like if they enter their locations and they enter the categories, they can find each of them, and also it involves the hours of commitments and the locations that the commitment is required for, along with the heading of the project with the description of where it is and how it is. So the person who's trying to find the volunteering opportunity can find it out very easily. If you can see about us, you can find out about like what our organization is about, and the key features about like the community first, inclusive volunteering for like creating, and also for creating the quality and how it impacts the global. And this is just the some random numbers, but we aim for like having that. But as of now, we can like include this responsive kind of thing for joining our mission. And for organizations, again, for the organizations to find the volunteer, they have this page, so they can open up this for like getting started to find which volunteer is worth them, their organization. And as a volunteer, you can like register your organization here and submit the registration. And after all this, using the Wolfram Alpha API, I also created this calculate your impact, which is like the volunteer impact calculator. Here, like we can like calculate the value of volunteer hours, and we can like calculate the impact, and the results are showing up. I used up the developer API, app API, which was available for like showing up, or like hours to day conversion. It was like just example calculations. You can like type in any other details for the Wolfram framework. So this is for like encouraging the total number of impact that the volunteer match has made up. And this is the landing page. I hope that this volunteer match encourages volunteers like me to find the right opportunities at their door and help the society and hack for humanity. Thank you so much.